I'm Susan. I hope you're doing great today. Today I'm going to make a coconut pound cake, and it's a Paula Deen recipe. I've never tried it, but I'm anxious to give it a try. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need 3/4 a cup of shortening, 1 cup of butter softened, 3 cups of sugar, 5 eggs, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of coconut extract, and a 3.5 ounce can of sweetened shredded coconut, or about a cup. I have my oven preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I'm just giving my Bundt pan a good spraying with Baker's Joy. Now, using an electric mixer, you want to cream your shortening, your butter, and your sugar together. Now, while that's creaming, I want to sift together my flour, my salt, and my baking powder. Now I'll scrape down my bowl, and I want to add my eggs one at a time, beating them well after each addition. Now that everything's mixed well, I want to start adding in my flour mixture, and I'm going to alternate it with my cup of whole milk. I scrape down my bowl really well, and I just start in with my flour, and you want to begin and end with the flour. Now that that's mixed well, I'm going to scrape down my bowl once again, and I'm adding in my coconut extract. And now I'm just going to stir in my coconut. Now it's time to pour up my batter into my cake pan. Now I smooth it out, and I put it into my preheated oven it's set for about 1 hour and 25 minutes, but it only took a little over an hour for mine. All right, here she is. Let's give it a try. I love coconut. It's very moist. It's very good. It's a keeper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I even got a blister on my thumb. Note to self, make sure the pot holder is covering the rack. Until next time. Bye, y'all.